will be finished my duty at work at 10. So now it's 7. So more 7, 8, 9, 10, 3 hours more. Now I have 1 hour break. Before 2 to 4, 6 is my 2 hours break. So I got 3 hours break. So I have a split duty today. So it's been a long hours. A very tiring day. But it's okay. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. Okay, mga guys. I think it's over. I don't forget to subscribe my friend Shushan Junkie TV, please guys. Paki ano lang siya, pakidikitan natin. Pakitulungan natin siya, mga kapatid. Isa siyang batang nanghihingi ng tulong para man umangat ang kanyang YouTube channel. Oh, thank you guys sa panonood sa akin. At next time, before ako mag-live, mag-i-inform ako na ano lang ako ngayon, boring time. Na bored lang si Inday. At saka, tingnan mo, daldal ako ng daldal, bawal pala ako magtanggal ng mask. Kasi nandito ako sa public place, nandito ako sa mall, sa loob ng mall. So nakikiupo lang ako dito kung saan pwede kayo magbasa ng mga books na free. So, pwede kayo dito magbasa ng books or pwede nyong hiramin. Pwede kayong humiram dito at basahin. So, magandang bagay, especially dun sa mga book readers talaga. Ito naman ay tsura ko. Ka-stress. Lumabas na yung sumpa ng aking buhok. Need ko na mag-color again. Ayan. Para akong yung alam nyo yung sa tabing dagat nakatira. Bulaw na buhok kung baga waray. Bulaw na itakon buhok. So, I don't have viewers now from Philippines. So, all of them are sleeping now. Yeah, they're all sleeping. So, tomorrow they will watch my live video that I need to share. Okay, mga guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that you will notify if I have new video, mga guys. Thank you. Thank you. Na boring lang ako, kaya nag-live ako. Feeling bored, sleepy. While on break, nothing to talk. How about you guys? What are you doing now? Feeling. Who is watching me? Thank you. Please guys, don't forget to help one of my friend. Kindly visit her YouTube channel, guys. Okay. Shushan Junkie TV. Yan, guys. Mga kapatid, patulong daw, pakidikitan. Dikit. Dikitan nyo. At para din po sa mga gustong magpatulong or madikitan, huwag kayong mag-atubiling maglapag ng bahay ninyo para matulungan din kayo. Madagdagan yung mga subscriber nyo. Thank you. Hello. Bye. Bye. God bless. Thank you. Okay guys, bye-bye.